So this is my senior piggy, Piglet. We're not really sure of her age. We think she was about anywhere between 3 and 4, and that was 2 years ago that I had adopted her privately. So I watch Sasha at LA Rescue, and she discussed about when Piggy is having some kind of pain or discomfort that they will start not moving around in their, they'll be laying around more and not, you know, leaving their hammock as much, and or bedding. And so, since I put the fleece forest up for her, she's hanging out in the hay a lot more, and because she is moving slower, and I have noticed this for, I want to say, a good 6 months. And but now it seems to be more, most recently in the last month. So and then, like, just this last week, I noticed that I pick them up on purpose so that I can tell their weight change, or if there's any other issues that they may have, of laying around a lot. You want to make sure that they don't have they're not laying in their urine or feces or whatever. And I spot clean daily, a number of times a day. So with that said, I noticed that her bottom was just, the fur was a little tiny bit wet, and no poops hanging out on it, but I was combing her out, and so then I thought, you know what, I'm going to start using the Mary's Hem Extract Transdermal. It's like 100 milligrams of CBD, and I'm going to start using this, daily. And I noticed since I've been putting it on morning and night, her activity has just gotten so much better, and I noticed her wanting to get out and play more when I put the ramp up. But she does waddle, but she's, I want to say her activity level has really increased by, like, I want to say by 75%. So I'm thankful to Sasha for explaining about senior piggy arthritis and how to check for it. And so it's not the case with her feet, but I believe it's in her little hip area. That's where her pain is. And again, they are prey animals, so they're not going to show you they're in pain. They won't be weeping or anything like that. And she's such a sweet little girl. And so that's what I will be doing, but I thought I would demonstrate how I put it on. And it's just this pen, and I took the lid off of it, but you can see, just kind of push up the bottom, and you get like a pea size. And I put it on, one on each ear, because I've noticed when I was only using on one ear, it wasn't enough. And she's eating, she's playing with puzzles. She's foraging. She's wanting to go out of her cage, since I've been using this twice a day, and on her ears. And so where I put it on her one ear, and then I put it on this ear. But it's making a difference, and it's giving her better quality of life. And as it's just inevitable that piggies don't live forever. It's sad, but you want to give them the best quality of life. And I really, at this point, don't see a need to take her to the vet, because there is no other symptoms. She's eating, and she's foraging, and she's playing, and making the happy noises that she makes. So I just wanted to come on here and explain about the CBD hem. I'm glad that I purchased this from Sasha. It's been the best thing. I haven't, used it consistently, but since I've been seeing more symptoms like this, of the wet bottom, means that she's sitting more. So I'm doing it twice a day. I guess it's about 12 hours in between each. So anyway, it surely can't hurt. And, I'm just going by what Sasha recommends. And she's done that for pain relief for piggies that are seniors that need that extra. So want to keep her happier and, and give her a good quality of life. So anyway, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, if I don't know the answer to it, I will definitely reach out to Sasha and ask her because I trust her. So, and if you haven't watched her videos or anything, check it out. It's LA Rescue, Sasha from LA Rescue. She's on YouTube and Instagram and I believe Facebook as well. But great, informative videos, and love her sense of humor. All right, have a great day and talk to you soon.